Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are building another desktop PC to be used for schoolwork. Okay, so for our build for today, we are strictly following the 25K budget for this desktop PC, which would be used for schoolwork, which is why we do not have any GPU for our build today. We also have a Segotep PC case, which I will show you later after we have gone through our current parts here for our desktop build. So for our CPU, we are going with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor with a base clock of 3.9 GHz and a max boost of 4.4 GHz. So for our motherboard, we are going with the B550M Pro SE from Asrock again. We have used this from our previous build. So this B550M Pro SE from Asrock supports AMD AM4 sockets for Ryzen 3000, 3000G series, up to 5000G series of desktop processors. For RAM, this supports DDR4 up to 4700 megatransfer per second. For our storage, we have 4 SATA 3 connections, 1 Hyper M.2 connection, and 1 regular or standard M.2 connection. For I/O, we have 6 USB 3.2 Gen 1 and 6 USB 2.0 available on our motherboard here. This one also have a pre-installed I/O shield, so that's one less step for us in building our desktop PC for today. For our RAM or memory, we are going with the T-Force Vulcan Z. This is a DDR4 3600 megatransfer per second CL18 type of RAM. This should give us a faster RAM speed, not to mention a more quality and stable speed as well, because it comes with the better heat spreader even though it does not have any RGB on it. So we have 2 of these, which bring us to 16 gigs in total for our RAM or memory. For storage, we are going with the TeamGroup MP33 Pro. This is 512 gigabytes of storage, PCIe 3.0x4, NVMe Express 3D NAND enabled M.2 SSD. It is reliable and trustworthy choice for data storage. So for our power supply, we are going with the Corsair CX550 Bronze Plus rated power supply. This is part of the CX series quiet and dependable ATX power supplies line. It's a compact 125mm long casing, ensures an easy fit in almost all modern PC cases. So again, this is our Corsair CX550 80 plus bronze rated power supply. So there goes all our components for our desktop PC build for today. So let's go, come along and build our PC. So there you go, guys, with our PC build for today. Of course, as you can see, it looks a bit empty in there. We did not include any dedicated GPU on our build for today because this build, again, as I mentioned earlier, is a PC meant to be used for schoolwork. So not so much for gaming and stuff, but I think with the AMD Ryzen 5600G, you can still do light gaming for this PC here. But okay, let's go to upgrade path. So definitely we can add more fans. As I mentioned, this case can carry around 8 fans if you're pushing it, but 7 if you're being modest. You can still add more memory there. We now have 16 gigabytes total memory, so we can up that to maybe 32 or a 64 gig. Upgrade to a dedicated GPU because that's always the best configuration for a desktop PC. That will make this build more versatile and robust in terms of its capabilities. So if you have comments or inquiries about our build here today, please comment down below. All the parts we used on this build today, we will link on the video description, and we will also put in links there, purchase links, if ever you wanted to check any of these peripherals and parts for yourself. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our PC build for today, and please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so get notified once we upload another one of our PC builds here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
But that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.